Is your Nexus 10 acting up, or are you ready to give it a fresh start? Today, we're diving into how to factory reset your Nexus 10 tablet, essentially bringing it back to its original, out-of-the-box state. First, make sure your Nexus 10 is completely powered off. This is crucial for the next steps to work correctly. If it's frozen, you might need to hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Now, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the exact same time. Keep holding them until you see a menu appear on the screen. This is the bootloader menu. Use the volume down button to navigate through the options you're looking for. Recovery mode. Once you've highlighted recovery mode, press the power button to select it. The screen may flicker or show a Google logo briefly. You might see an Android logo with an exclamation mark. Don't panic. This is normal now. Press and hold the power button, then press the volume up button once, and then release the power button. This should bring up the recovery menu. It might take a couple of tries. Use the volume down button again to scroll down to wipe data. Factory reset. Once it's highlighted, press the power button to select it. The next screen will ask you to confirm your decision. Scroll down to yes, delete all user data using the volume down button, and then press the power button to confirm. Your Nexus 10 will now begin the factory reset process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see the recovery menu again, with the option Reboot System now already highlighted. Press the power button one last time to select Reboot System. Now your Nexus 10 will restart. It will take a bit longer than usual to boot up since it's starting from scratch. Once it's on, you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen, just like when you first got the tablet, and that's it. Your Nexus 10 is now factory reset.